It is so great to be here. Thank all of you for taking the time to come out. I want to welcome my fellow council members who are with us today. Senator Landrieu's office is represented. We have State Representative Pat Smith. Pat, it's so nice to see you. To Erin James and Dr. William Broussard, who are the ADs of Grambling and Southern, respectively. Coach Doug Williams and Coach Odoms, the coaches, respectively, of Grambling and Southern. And, Coach, we are not unmindful of the fact that this is your 25th anniversary of your Super Bowl championship, coming back to New Orleans. Huh? Love that. You represented well. It's just a beautiful day, and this is one of the signature events of the city of New Orleans. This is a rivalry that beats all rivalries. It is a blessed event in many instances, and this is the place where it happens. And the people of the city of New Orleans are thrilled to be the host for the Bayou Classic. This event has just such great meaning for the city of New Orleans and really for the history of the state of Louisiana. And every year, whether it's the Battle of the Bands or the football games or the economic development initiatives that take place around the game, we are just thrilled to have all of you here with us. The economic impact from this is just tremendous. For those of you that didn't have a chance to see it the other day, the city of New Orleans received the World Tourism Award the other day. Now, I didn't see the South. I didn't see the nation. I said the world. And to our tourism leaders that have helped make the city of New Orleans one of the great destinations for sports entertainment, all of you are aware of the fact that of the historic run that we have had with the major sporting events that in this season are beginning right now and are going to culminate not only in the Super Bowl, but the NBA All-Star Game too. And this one stands out amongst all others. It's a great rivalry. It is a beautiful opportunity. And what I like so much about it is it's not just about the game, although that's important. What it's about is responsibility. It's about giving back to the community. It's about historically black colleges and universities that give our young men and women the great opportunity to stand on the shoulders of giants, some of whom are with us today. And so on behalf of the people of the city of New Orleans, I want to say welcome, God bless you, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much.